Hello dear students, welcome back to my video. In this video, we can discuss the topic exponents. Okay, let's start. Okay, we can discuss exponents. The definition of exponent is a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. That is, the definition of exponent is the exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. That is, if you write 2 raised to 3, it says we have to multiply 2 for 3 times. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is, we have to multiply 2 for 3 times. Also, another example, if you write 8 square, then we can say 8 to the power 2. We call this as power, or 8 to the second power. Or simply we say 8 square. That is, 8 square is equal to 8 times 8, which is equal to 64 is the answer. Next, we can look another example, 5 raised to 3, which is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5 is 125. So, in words we can say 5 to the power 3 or 5 to the third power. Or simply 5 cubed. So exponents are in the form a raised to b, where a is called base and b is called exponent or power, or we can say it as index. So in previous example, 8 square, 8 is base, 2 is power or exponent. So in general, we can write a raised to n is equal to a into a into a into etc. into a for n times. That is, we can say a raised to n tells you to multiply a by itself. So there are n of those a's. That is, we have to multiply a for n times. We can write a raised to n as this way. It is also equal to a times etc. times a for n times. That is, we use the symbol like this for also denoting exponents. Next, we have to look negative exponents. You know that negative, what could be the opposite of multiplying? That is, if power is positive, we have to do multiplication. So if power is negative, we have to divide. Yes, that is negative exponents means dividing. For example, 2 raised to minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. If it is 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 2 into 2. So if it is 2 raised to minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. That is the meaning of negative exponents. If it is negative power, we have to divide 1 by 2 square. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. That is, from previous example we can say that negative exponents means flip the positive. That is, we have to take reciprocal of positive exponent. That is, if a raised to minus n, we can write 1 by a raised to n. So it is easy to find a raised to minus n. That is, first we have to calculate positive exponent a raised to n. Then we have to take reciprocal of a raised to n, that is 1 by a raised to n. This is the answer for a raised to minus n. That I have shown here. Two step. First step is to calculate the positive exponent, then take reciprocal of this positive exponent. Then we will get the negative exponent a raised to minus n. Next we can look, if exponent is 1, then we get the answer is number itself. That is, if 9 raised to 1 is the question, then answer is 9. 2 raised to 1, the answer is 2. 100 raised to 1, then answer is 100. That is, if exponent is 1, the answer is number itself. Next we have to look, the exponent is 0, then answer is 1. That is, 9 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 100 raised to 0 is equal to 1. That is, if exponent is 1, the answer is number itself, and if exponent is 0, the answer is 1. Then we can use the bracket in explaining the numbers with exponents. That is, if we write minus 2 whole square, this is, we use bracket. This is equal to minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, if we didn't write bracket, then minus 2 whole square is equal to minus of 2 square, which is equal to minus of 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 4. That is, answer is different if we use bracket and without bracket. Answer is positive and negative. That is, in general we can say AB whole square is equal to AB into AB, or without bracket AB square is equal to A into B. Next topic is laws of exponents. We have different laws for exponent. First we can write x raised to 1 is equal to x. Then x raised to 0 is equal to 1. X raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by x. This we are discussed in previous examples. Next we can discuss x raised to m into x raised to n, which is equal to x raised to m plus n, where x is base, m and n are exponents. If x raised to m times x raised to n, then we will get x raised to m plus n. Similarly, x raised to m by x raised to n, which is equal to x raised to m minus n. Similarly, x raised to m all raised to n, which is equal to x raised to mn. Next, xy all raised to n is equal to x raised to n into y raised to n. Then x by y all raised to n is equal to x raised to n by y raised to n. Last, x raised to minus n is equal to 1 by x raised to n. These are the laws of exponents. Okay dear students, that's all for the basic of exponent. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please comment below and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.